Hi everyone! Today we're keeping it short, cool, and filled with good vibes. I'm going to show you how to fold these ultimate origami meme sunglasses. Grab a sheet of black paper and let's fold some fun. And there you have it, your own Deal With It sunglasses. Put them on, share the vibes, and if this video made you smile, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next project, and until then, just deal with it.